hello, and Lottie freaking da. This is how I feel right now with Plug Power. I feel like a rich guy right now. I feel like the man. But honestly, Plug's got me feeling really good right now. We saw Plug hit some new highs this week. It even hit $30 in the aftermarket one time. But I'm telling you what, we feel like high society right now with Plug and these prices, if you've been in it for a while. So I'm looking at this and I'm going, these prices are crazy. This can't be true. If somebody had told me 6 months ago that Plug Power is going to be a $20 stock, I would have thought you were crazy.
Right.
But seriously, this is great. This is great news for us investors into Plug Power, into any kind of just green energy sector. But Plug is really taking off. And there's two things I want to talk about with Plug right now and make this really short and sweet to the point. First things first with Plug. So just a week or two ago, I made a video again about Plug Power, talking about analysts. And every week, analysts come out with these articles raising their expectations on Plug. So now we have analysts saying that Plug's going to be around $50 by the end of the year, especially when Biden takes office and he is elected president-elect and we have the day of ceremony. I think you're going to see Plug and a lot of these green companies just go crazy, and EV companies mixed in there. But I also made a video too talking about, is this a bad time to buy Plug Power? But honestly, I think this might be the new low right now with Plug. But I do see a major problem coming with the stock market. If we do not see stimulus here by the first of the year, end of the year, I think we're gonna have another major crash here around the 1st of January. And Plug and everything else will be wrapped in that, but still, there may not be any more 16, 17s. We may not see those numbers ever again, really. Something dramatically bad would have to happen. So I've had person after person message me and say, hey, is this a good time to buy Plug? Well, honestly, I don't know. No one really knows. And the reason is because we have hit these new numbers. And every week, like I'm saying, we keep raising the bar. The analysts keep raising the bar on what they think Plug is gonna be the week after week after week. I remember 2 months ago, I read an article where an analyst, a high-ranking analyst, said that Plug was gonna hit $30 by 2025. We hit $30 last week after hours. In this small little article that I found, this talks about, this marks Plug Power's largest capital rise in the company's history with approximately $1 billion of capital, bringing total cash post closing balance to $1.7 billion. In just 4 months past, Plug Power was at like $12, and honestly, at that point, a lot of people that were in it for the long haul that had been there since the $2, $1 range, we were like, holy crap, this is amazing. This is what we've been looking for. And at that point, articles were coming out and saying, well, 2024, 23, we're gonna see, Plug hit around $50, $30, probably $30, and they'll finally be $1 billion company. Now, 4 months later, with the whole EV market, the hydrogen fuel cell, technology really coming into play with all this, and we have Joe Biden-elect who is really into clean energy. We have seen the clean energy sector really take off, and it just keeps getting bigger and bigger every week. We keep seeing these new highs, and the guy's not even in office yet, and this is already what's happening. So a lot of people are trying to catch the train right here. And then this article went into Plug Power recently announced its plans to build 5 regional green hydrogen facilities in the United States. And then check this out. Furthermore, Plug Power has already become the largest user of liquid hydrogen, with its international demand increasing from current 40 TPD, tons per day. The first 2 green hydrogen plants are expected to be operational in 2022. All 5 plants are expected to be operational by 2024. And so with saying that, there's still so much to come with Plug Power. We're seeing these highs right now, but honestly, I don't even think these are the highs. I really think this could be a $50. I'm gonna say this. I really think this could be a $70 stock, maybe by the summer of 2021, because I think people are just gonna keep buying into this. They're gonna see these articles, and people are not gonna wanna miss the ride. And a lot of people can afford to buy $20 shares. They can afford to buy $30 shares at large quantities. Because for a lot of us, this was a stock that we were buying into and going, well, this is very futuristic, this company we're buying into. This is gonna be my retirement fund. And now, like, our little secret stock is just like blown up. But like I said, with Biden coming into office here, we are gonna see massive numbers come with the green energy sector of the stock market. And sectors that we're really going to see take off with the Biden administration in 2021, especially the beginning of the year, are cannabis stocks, medical stocks, clean energy stocks, and EV stocks. Kind of the same thing right there, but we'll separate them because this is something his administration is really pushing to have in big volume, which if you're investing in those, you're gonna reap the benefits from those in a good way. But guys, thank you so much for watching the video. I hope this was good information for you. Listen, we just gotta hang in there. This is this is crazy right now. This is a crazy time and a fun time to be in the stock market. But please, like, subscribe, tell me what you're doing right now with your, what you're doing with Plug Power. What do you think this thing's gonna hit? Did I undersell it? Do you think it's gonna be like, I dare say in the triple digits here? Or do you think it's gonna hang around the 20s, maybe low 30s? But please like, subscribe, join the friend community here, and let me know what you think, and I'm gonna bring you more videos and constantly be talking about Plug because I love Plug, and I really think this is gonna change a lot of people's future if you can hold on to it. And even if you had 50 shares of this and you held on to it for about 4 to 5 years to see what's really going to happen here, I think this is really going to do something, guys. It's really going to do something for us small guys and the big guys too. But guys, thank you so much, and I will talk to you soon. Bye bye. God bless.